Welcome everybody to our very first tutorial video. Today we will be showing you how to install a new kill switch on your pocket bike. This is for the GP Mx3 Pocket Bike. It's a 47cc engine, so we'll get down to it. I'll show you how to do this. Alright, the first tools you're going to need for the job, you're going to need this little wrench that comes with your GP Mx3. Depends on where you order it from. Not sure if all places send a little toolkit that have the tools in it, and you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. What you're going to do is you're going to be taking off these two screws right here to release the bottom fairing, and then there's another one on the bottom you got to take off as well to expose the crank right here. So once you do all that, you'll be good to go, and we'll get to the next part. There, so actually what we're going to do, we're just going to leave that off. Just going to pull that down, call it good. The next thing we're doing is you need your Allen key, and you're going to undo the bolts on this bad boy. Go, comes right off. Bam, there you go. You're exposed right to where all the wiring goes for it. So pretty much all you gotta do is, wow, that really wasn't even connected to anything. That's crazy. Alright, but yeah, that's your ground that shuts off the engine, and then you got your other line. I'll figure out where that goes once I get into here and stuff. Oh, that looks like that actually plugs in to here, which is cool. So pretty much all you gotta do is actually just put this here, screw it on, and you're good to go. So there's that, and that's it for this part. I will get to the disassembly of the actual throttle and the old kill switch on here for you. Alright, your next step is going to be to take off the throttle from here. So all you're going to do is you're going to undo these two screws, just make them loose. That way you can pull the whole thing off. There, you're good to go. Also, while you're here, don't forget to take out the screw here and undo your throttle cable. Mine is stripped, unfortunately, so I got to use some pliers to undo it. These ones aren't very good. Hold on, let me get some different ones. Alright. There we go. Probably do it by hand now. Nope. Alright. Take out that screw. Take out the piece here. You can obviously see where mine was broken. Wasn't done all that great. There's a piece broken here, and this thing ain't all that good. Take off the little sleeve that's around this to expose that. See, mine came broken like that too. So what you're gonna do is pop out the little tab in here, the cord. If I can get it out. There we go. Do that. Unscrew this. It'll come out on me. Okay. Oh, that would probably help if I didn't have the cord in the way. There you go. That's all you do. Got it apart. All you gotta do is unscrew these other two screws on here, and then you can attach the new one on, and then you reverse this whole thing. So I'll get back to you once I got this switched out. Alright, now we got the new one put on here. All you got to do is go reverse of what you did the last time and run the cables through. This time I'm going to run my cables through this hole right here. And just pull them. Actually, you know what? Take that back. I'm going to run them back through up here in the front. That's pretty much where it came from already. Just pull in from there. And then, you know, bring it up underneath where it was. Alright, once you got your wire ran back from your new throttle down to here, go ahead and take your crank casing, get it back on here. You can get that, there you go. Just get it back on there. Make sure your kill wire is in the same place. So, you know, just make sure you got that tightened down. Everything's tightened down real good. And we're good to go there. And now we just got to hook up the line back to the throttle and we should be done. Alrighty, once you get your handle and everything back on, go ahead and get your throttle cable, take it, get it back into the handle on here. Got that going. Make sure you got it in here. Give it some slack. Get your new piece. See, here's the new one. I was missing some stuff on it. This is a little tricky. Not too tricky though. Trying to keep the handle out the way. Alright. Just get it where it gets in that lip on this thing. And you can pull it over and it'll go right into place. Yep. Should be going right into place. There we go. Better. Alright, make sure you got that in there. Screw this bad boy down. Get your screw for the top here. Make sure you get that in. God, come out. Alright. Now make sure you screw that down so it holds it in place. Not too tight, don't want to break it. And then move. Oh, let me get this back around the brake first. There we go. You know, and then you got that there. Pull your sleeve all the way back up here. You know, if you need to adjust your cord again, I'm pretty sure I do. I'm just going to keep that right there. You know, then you just screw these two bolts back down, tighten it up how you like it, and you're done. And that's how you install the new kill switch on your MX3 Pocket Bike. Thank you for watching Hot Pocket Racing's first tutorial. We'll catch you later.